Hello everyone, I am Zura Papakidze, analyst representative of company VIPTRADE. The topic of our discussion today will be the technical analysis of some currency pairs in the weekly range. Before I start, I would like to inform you that the method of analysis is based on market supply demand rules and criteria, according to which it's possible to determine the dynamics of possible price movement. I also use a combination type of time interval for the analysis, which helps me to determine the global, medium, and small dynamics possible price movements. Okay, let's start. Our first pair is Euro USD. Uh, so I have daily chart, 4-hour chart, and 1-hour chart. Daily chart for global movement. So 4-hour chart for medium movement, and 1-hour chart for change tendencies, small movement. Okay. The pair is present in the demand area, price 1.1708, 1.1667, from where it's possible to easily develop an upward correction movement to the supply area at price 1.1787, 1.1853. And from the mentioned supply area, it's still possible to develop a downward trend, so downward deeper trend, because according to the daily schedule, this is still a downward movement. So also on a 4-hour chart, we have downtrend. Price typing is possible on the already mentioned between supply and demand area. Demand area and supply area. Now in this time from demand area, daily demand area, price is typing to develop motion and upward, let's say correction movement. Let's better looks on 1-hour chart. Let's say correction movement to supply area. That's 1.1767, 1.1780, from where and changing correction movement, we can see a deeper develop and downward movement. Okay, our second pair is pound dollar. So where is it? Here it is. On a daily chart, the pair is downward motion from the supply area, 1.3805. Here is it, 3803 or 05. No problem. 1.3912. It's possible to develop an upward correction movement from the demand area 1.3646, 1.3601 from this daily demand area. According to the daily chart, we are in a downward movement. Downward, let's say, big disbalance. With the development of possible downward trend, and according to the 1-hour time frame, it's possible to develop an upward correction movement to the above mentioned supply area based on the trend change. So from the daily supply area, we can see a deeper short movement in the downside. Okay, our yes, and for our chart also we can downtrend. So this is a downtrend, and from correction movement also uh, we can see a deeper downward uh, movement. Okay, next pair is Q dollar, NZD USD. So just a moment. Yeah, that's 1 hour chart, and zooming it small, daily chart, and 4 hour chart. The period is in demand area on daily chart, so the price, just a moment, yes, and here. So the pair is in the demand area 1.7021 so I'm sorry 0.7021 0.6983, and the supply area, which is 0.7132 0.7170, from where it's possible to develop from demand, it's possible to develop correctional movement to the minimum supply area 0.7132 0.7170, from where it's possible to develop a downward trend or deeper trending according to the daily schedule or a daily chart. So it's possible to work on both extending correction movement based on trending change as well as descending movement. So we can work on a long and then from supply demand, so supply area, sell, or short movement, downward movement. In a 4 hour chart, also we have downward movement, but the 1 hour chart at this moment we have not changing tendency from to go long, and so but we have to wait from on 1 hour chart to go long. Okay, our next pair is USD cut. Just a moment. So here it is. And the pair is just a moment. Yes. Okay. Let's look. That's good. The pair is in the supply area. 1.2805, 1.2950, or 4049. That's no problem, but it's possible to continue the price movement up to the 1.2892 mark. It's here, and it's banging that from where the price is expected to correction the downward movement to the demand area 1.26 86 1.2580. Here it is, demand area, daily chart. On the daily chart, the pair is still in an upward trending movement from here, upward trending movement. Here again, I know that according to the low time intervals and based on the trend change, it's possible to work on both correction and trend movement. So we can work on a correction downwards move on a short and then a big movement. So the trending upward move from change small time frame tendency. So let's take a look at 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, here it is, 1.2891. From here, let's see correction movement. So from after changing this tendency move, we can work on a short. But after this, after changing the correction tendency, we also can work at a long movement. On a 1-hour chart, let's typing to go short from correction move and changing. Okay, our next pair is gold. Here it is. Yes, gold. The price of gold is in a downward movement from the supply area 1786 8008. It's here 8008. Look here. According to the daily chart, the movement is downward, while the development of a deeper correction movement from the demand area 1737 1682. Here it is, 1682. So I'll check it. So here 1683 82 is quite expected, of course, based on the tendency change of the price in a short, so in a small time frame, and from the above supply area, we can still think of a downward trend based on a trend change from a correction movement. When these small move change easily can work in both buy and sell directions. So from demand area, we can work from a change to after change this tendency movement, we can work on a buy correction, and from supply area of daily chart also we can work on a short which will be very deeper. I'm sorry. So that was all I wanted to say. Good luck and many profits. Bye bye.